In this video, I'm going to show you how to use NotebookLM. So I'm on my Launchpad within Glow, and I can either click on Google Drive or I can go up to View My Files and select Google Drive here. Once I'm into my Google Drive, I go up to the waffle at the top right, and that is going to allow me to see all of my apps within the Google Workspace. And I scroll down and find NotebookLM. I click on that. And here we've got the notebooks that I've started. I want to select Create New Notebook. So here I can upload my different sources. So I can choose a file that I want to upload, maybe from my computer, for example. You can see the different file types that it supports, so a range of different files you can upload here. You can also upload directly from your Google Drive, or you can copy and paste text in. I'm going to show you how we can add a link. So I'm going to click on Website, and I can simply copy and paste URLs from websites that I want NotebookLM to have a little look at. So Education Scotland have got a lot of different resources that we can go to. And on here I have got lots of resources for reading. So I've got vocabulary, fluency, comprehension, and it would take me a long time to read through all of those things. So if I want to concentrate on vocabulary in particular, I could select the URLs that I want. So I'm going to copy the link address. So I just right-clicked, copy link address, go back to my notebook, and I paste that in. Then I select Insert, and it's now going to go through all of these sources. So you can see how it's provided an overview of the sources. I can then start asking some questions down in my prompt box at the bottom, but I've also got some questions here that I could ask as well. So let's click on this one, and it's going to search through those documents and ask those questions. And you can see when it comes up, it's got these numbers. These refer you directly to which document it got it from. So it's citing those references for you, and you can scroll through those. You can see it's taken all of the information together, it's summarised it all for you. That's going to be an awful lot quicker to read than going through each individual document. And you could continue to ask different questions here. But what I really like is the Studio. So the Studio means that you can generate other ways of seeing the information. So I've used the Studio tools to make the information even more accessible in order to support my professional learning. So you can see them over here at the right hand side. First of all, I used the audio overview tool, and this allowed me to engage with the information in a way that I find a bit more accessible. So what it does is it generates a podcast between two people, and they have a discussion about your documents back and forth. It does take a minute or so, and then we can simply play it.
Something actually far more profound than just reading fast. We're talking about reading fluency.
The cool thing about it is that I can tap on this interactive icon there, and it will stop the podcast, allow me to ask a question, and then they will resume their discussion answering my question for me. There's this mind mapping feature as well, so here's one I made earlier, and it allows me to make connections between different ideas. Another feature I really like are these little short explainer videos that you can create. It means I can quickly understand complex ideas.
Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to talk about building a bridge. Seriously, we're diving into reading fluency, a term you've probably heard sounding out words. And on the other side, you've got comprehension.
So you can see as I forwarded through that the video is basically based on a presentation with an audio overview. So have some fun with Notebook LM, explore some of the other features within the studio and see how you get on.